don't know why. Don't matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I wrote this rhyme to tell my tale in time. All I know, time's a precious thing. Watch it slip by as the pendulum swings. See it count down till the day is done. The clock's still life away. It's so unreal. Didn't see below. Watch the hours fade right out the window. Trying to hold on, but I didn't know. I spent it all just to watch you go. I kept it all inside. And though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will soon be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. Oh, one thing I don't know why. Don't matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I sang this rhyme to remind my soul how I tried so hard. Despite the way you were mocking me, acting like I was bound to your chain, recalling all the times you fought with me. I'm shocked it went so far. Things ain't the way they were before. You wouldn't know me now no more. Not that you cared back then, but it all comes back to me. In the end, I kept it all inside. And though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will soon be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I put my trust in you, pushed as far as I could go. For all this, there's one thing you should know. I put my trust in you, pushed as far as I could go. For all this, there's one thing you should know. I tried so hard, got so far, and in the I had to fall to lose it all. But in the oh, yeah. Yeah. It doesn't even matter.